little different than my normal content, but I'm getting ready to go to my first ever baseball game, and I just wanted to get myself ready. So I'm deciding on which bag I'm gonna wear. I think it's gonna be fun, so I'm gonna wear a Loungefly, and I have these two. This one I got from the Princess Half Marathon that I ran in February. It was my first half, and I loved it so much. And this one is Snow White, and I love this little bow detail, and it's red, yellow. I'm wearing blue and white, so I am trying to figure out which one I'm gonna wear. Let me ask my daughter. All right, so just tap which one you think I should wear to the game today. Snow White or Half Marathon?
This one, because it's red and blue. Those are the colors.
All right, so we're gonna go with this one. All right, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to change my wallet from the one I'm currently wearing, which is a little Coach one, to this one. The park is cashless, so I'm just gonna bring some cash and some coins. I did want to stop by the Dollar Tree to get a few things, so let's stuff her. All right, so it's stuffed, so let's put that in there. First order of business is my travel Kindle. This is called my purse Kindle. I keep it on deck for when I either have to wait in line or something, and it goes in every purse that I have because it is very small, so I'm gonna stick that in here. So then I have this emergency bag that I keep in my work bag. It has toilet seat covers, some wipes, anti stuff, and some band-aids, and Benadryl, and my prescription, and an extra mask. So I'm going to put this in the bag because it always has my stuff in there. Okay, so packing this little bag with deodorant, Chub Rub, body wash, EpiPen, and inhaler. You will be surprised how many establishments do not have soap in the bathroom, so I always pack soap. I also forgot this stays in here. I have cuticle oil for after I wash my hands, and a nail file. And today I'm going to wear an aquatic scent, so I'm actually going to put some hand cream in there. Okay, so I'm gonna put this new Sea Salt Coast in here as well. And that's it for that one. All right, so this is usually my lip gloss case, but I got some extra Benadryl and an Effordent tab, I don't know, and a reusable mask. So let's put lip gloss in here. I'm going to start with this just for shiny gloss. This, and I think I'm going to put this in there. I was actually looking for some tissue, but I can't find it, so I'm gonna actually just leave it like that, and then I'm gonna get some wipes. I got some wipes, and I'm gonna put the wipes in this pocket, but they in the car. I got my pens, which are the ones that for some reason I continue to travel with, so let's put them in there. Nice and neat. So this is what it's looking like so far, with the bags, my wallet, my little first aid kit, my Kindle, and that's it. Got plenty of space. Loungefly is packed, ready to go. Yeah, the touch lamp I'm gonna put right here. And now we're ready to go. Oh, and I am gonna put my sunnies in here, my little case with my sunnies and on my regular glasses, but obviously they stay in the car, and my keys, so yep, plenty of space. Okay, so this is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing these moisture wicking kind of tech shorts, my bag, probably wear some crew socks, and these cute little dad Adidas shoes. One thing about me is I'm gonna wear some Adidas shoes, and I'm wearing my cheer coach shirt because I'm going to this game to support myself coaching. So yeah, let me know what you think about this video, and if you need more of this content. Love you, bye. And I almost forgot to give y'all my fragrance of the day, which y'all know is not like me. So I'm gonna wear Getaway Soiree. This is the Tom Ford Soleil Blanc dupe, tuberose, coconut, mandarin, and something floral, I can't remember. I'm pairing that with Lily of the Beach, which is another Tom Ford Soleil Blanc dupe, which is not talked about, but now you know. And to complement that mandarin orange, I am lathering some of my body with Calypso Clementine and some body oil. So this is what I'm wearing today, since I'm gonna be outside and I'm gonna be hot and sweating. First game, first baseball game. Don't know what to do. Just gonna fake it. Okay, so this is our little section.
I guess that none of the people decided to come.
Food over here.
Come on, please. Who are we trying for again? Not the Hooters. Look at the nose. What is he doing here?